who grabbed the more than 100 acres belonging to the late Adrian Muteshi, an IDP who died out of bitterness and frustrations, having fought for more than 10 years trying to reclaim his land, albeit successfully. The DP was found criminally culpable. Number 5, DP Ruto should tell Kenyans the truth about who swindled Makindu Motors of millions of shillings, where a businessman lost over 300 million shillings due to shenanigans emanating from Arambi House Annex, his office. Number 6, Ken Harap Mashamba tell Kenyans how he acquired large tracts of land in Taita Taveta County. Indeed, he has made it a habit to hop across to Taita Taveta. Number 7, what does DP Ruto know about the fake arms scandal, where one of his bodyguards, Sergeant Kipyegon Kenei, was brutally murdered? Number 8, can DP Ruto explain what he knows about the loss of over 4 billion shillings of public funds meant for the construction of Arol and Timora dams? Why was he so defensive when news of the scandal broke out? What information did he want kept out of the public's eye concerning those collapsed projects? Number 9, DP Ruto should be ready to also give a statement on what he knows about the recent camera scandal that led to one of his bodyguards to commit suicide. Is there more than meets the eye in that very sad incident? Number 10, I therefore demand on behalf of all Kenyans that the DP subjects himself to a transparent lifestyle